Hey there, future real estate moguls! Ready to unlock the secret to real estate wealth without having to deal with tenants, toilets, or termites? Then you've got to check out the link in the description below for a special offer on your REIT investing journey. Alright, let's dive into the fun world of REITs. That's real estate investment trusts. Think of them as a magical portal into the real estate market without the headaches of actually owning property. You get all the benefits of investing in real estate like rental income and property appreciation, but without having to fix a single leaky faucet. So how do you get started with REITs? First, you gotta know there are two main types: equity REITs and mortgage REITs. Equity REITs own and operate income-generating properties, while mortgage REITs lend money to real estate owners or buy existing mortgages. Basically, equity REITs are like owning a piece of the property, and mortgage REITs are like being the bank. Now, here's the fun part. You can invest in REITs just like you would with stocks. They're listed on major stock exchanges, and you can buy shares through your brokerage account. Easy peasy, right? But you might be wondering, how do I pick the right REIT to invest in? Well, my friend, it's all about doing your homework. Look for REITs with a strong track record of performance and a diversified portfolio of properties. You don't want all your eggs in one basket or all your apartments in one city. Also, pay attention to the dividend yield. REITs are required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends, so they can be a fantastic source of passive income. Cha-ching! And don't forget to consider the management team. A skilled and experienced team can make all the difference in the success of a REIT. You wouldn't hire a newbie to manage your multi-million-dollar property empire, right? Okay, one last tip before we wrap up. Diversify. Just like with any investment, spreading your money across different REITs can help reduce risk and boost your chances of success. Don't put all your investments into that one REIT that only owns a chain of haunted hotels. So there you have it, a fun and simple guide to investing in REITs. Ready to dive in and start building your real estate wealth? Don't forget to click the link in the description below to snag your special offer and kickstart your investing journey. Thanks for watching and happy investing.